We are super excited to introduce Tuition Near Me, a new platform that's changing up the way we teach and learn. With Tuition Near Me, tutors can create awesome educational content through live classes or recorded lectures, complete with quizzes, assignments, and readings. And what's really neat about Tuition Near Me is that tutors can now mix live classes with recorded lectures, so students can connect with their tutors whenever they need help. Plus, tutors have the freedom to teach what they want, how they want, and even choose to offer their content for free or make money with our marketplace. Come join us in shaping the future of education by becoming an instructor at Tuition Near Me.
Tuition Near Me, your #1 portal for everything that is related to education. See you at Tuition Near Me.